In this video, I'm going to share some of my favorite planner goodies from Rongrong. Let me start off with this Coffee Queen tumbler. First of all, I love everything from Rongrong, and she's challenged us to pick our top 5 favorite things, which is really hard. I really can't do it. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite things, but also along with this tumbler, which is in the collection from Black Friday, I just wanted to show you, like, one of the things I like is collections. So along with this really cool Coffee Queen tumbler with her signature girls, she also has a matching sticker book and matching pet tapes to go along with it. And she has quite a few different collections like that that all coordinate together. And I love that in my planner. One of my favorite things from Rongrong is the pet tapes because they give you so many choices for decorating your planner. First off, I have a couple of different spreads here that I wanted to share. This spread is using the Rainbow Collection boxes, and one of my favorites, the Christmas stickers roll of pet tape from Rongrong. This is one of the matte pet tapes and has the poinsettias on it. I love that. So I just paired the Rainbow Collection sticker book with the pet tape and made the spread. So it's got some boxes, some checklists, and I layered over some of the stickers from the pet tape. That's it, easy peasy. I threw in a little sprig of washi tape from another collection. That's that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here's another similar spread using, again, the box stickers. These are from the autumn and winter. One of the pet tape rolls that has the moths and butterflies in it, and the autumn sticker book. So that combination gave me this planner spread. Here, I'm going to show one more spread. Again, some boxes, some pet tapes, and some stickers all mixed together. And this one's a completed plan with me. I will share the link to that video in the cards. Cannot wait to do something with this collection. So there's a matching pet tape, a matching sticker book, and she also came out with these new self-love affirmation cards, which I'm totally into. And it even comes with this little stand, so you can choose a card and put it on this really cute stand every day and look at it and switch it out every day. So cool. Lots of inspiration, affirmations, and the color palette and the Rongrong girls and just the art. Love, 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 love. So this is definitely going in my top 5. So I'm not sure that answers the question. I guess I like everything. Everything from Rongrong. I love it. I love the designs, the colors, the stickers, the themes, the color palette. Did I say the colors? I said the colors. I can't wait to do this one. There'll be a new plan with me. I'll be using this. I have to decide. I'm thinking about putting this in my health, wellness, fitness, my Erin Condren planner for January. So many great goodies, plus the roses. Oh my gosh, it's like planner heaven over here when some Rongrong goodies show up. So check out the description box for all the coupon codes, sales, freebies, gifts with purchase that she has. Ask me any questions you want in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.